With technology becoming more and more abundant in society, it's important to start teaching people, especially students, what it means to become a digital citizen. One of the first steps in becoming a digital citizen is learning etiquette. For example, there's a school that I happen to work at called Canyon Charter School in Santa Monica, California. The school is interested in moving into the 21st century. What they would like to do is create a 5-year technology plan which will bring iPads and laptops into each classroom for all the students to use. Now this is great, but it also comes with some caution. First is teaching students how to use the technology, training the teachers, and more importantly, establishing what digital citizenship means. One of the very first things our students are going to have to learn is what's called netiquette, or digital etiquette. Now etiquette, or netiquette as they call it, is basically the same as what you would have in real life. The cardinal rule would be to treat others the way you'd want to be treated, just applied online. If you would do it in real life, you would do it online, and if you wouldn't do it in real life, then you wouldn't do it online. But digital etiquette is more than just being nice. There are certain standards of behavior that one must follow when becoming a digital citizen. There are simple rules that are easy to follow. And the first one is usually you'd want all of your communication, texts, emails, and so, to be clear and to the point, and according to your audience. Another simple rule would be to don't write in all caps. That's the equivalent of shouting in real life. And you don't have all your conversations shouting. That'd be pretty annoying. Another simple rule is it's okay to use all the abbreviations and the icons, but you'd want to keep them appropriate for your audience. It's okay to send them to your friends, but you wouldn't want to use abbreviations and cute little icons when you're talking to your professor. Another cardinal rule would be to always ask permission before posting stuff about others, especially with the advent of Facebook and MySpace. It's really easy to post embarrassing pictures of other people. That's just not right. And you wouldn't do that in real life, so why do it online? Another thing to remember is to be careful with humor. When you write something that you think might be funny, the other person might not interpret that way because there's lacking facial expression and body language. So you got to be careful with written humor. And lastly, just keep in mind that the internet is not private. Whatever's posted, everyone can eventually see. So these are the simple netiquette standards of behavior that one should follow. But what about in the offline world? There's technology all around us. People are carrying cell phones and laptops and iPads all over the place. There is a simple etiquette that one should follow with these devices when they're not in the online world. Things like answering a phone call while you're having dinner or in a face-to-face conversation. Sort of not very nice. Also, texting in class or in the middle of a conversation is not really good etiquette. Or having a loud phone conversation in public can be really annoying. These are things that students need to start learning as they become digital citizens.